Hey, obviously feel free to share this with the electrician. Free to share this with the electrician, obviously, but for under cab lighting, a couple different ways it could be done. Either stubbing out Romex right underneath the cabinet. In this case, it'd be 56 3/4 off the floor. So we'd need a stub out here and at this location, or he can run low voltage that stubs out in place of Romex and bring it to a collection point. Typically, that is under the sink. Just run low voltage, and the transformer could be plugged into here. And obviously, that transformer is controlled with the wall switch. Are typical, they're not dimmable, but let me know if you want dimmable. But one for each of this position, and then possibly if you wanted to put lighting in these glass cabinets, if that's the case, he would need, it's a pretty big target to hit, but if he stubbed one out, say, just any place behind this cabinet, so say 100 inches off the floor and 42 over from the left, and this would same elevation, and that's 130. Any place else you want under cabinet lighting, trying to think here. Yeah, I don't, maybe the bonus room, but I doubt you want to do anything in here. So it just looks like those do two positions in the kitchen, the laundry room, maybe. That might be a little excessive, but that would be the same layout, or the pantry. If you wanted, so same thing, same elevation off the floor, 56 3/4. We just need one on this wall and one on this wall here. Let me know if you have any questions.